Hi, I'm Angie and welcome to my new video where I'll be showing you my little health hacks for leading a healthier lifestyle. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy peasy almond milk. Now if you're wondering why it's so easy peasy, there's no straining the pulp in my version. There's no need for a cheesecloth or anything like that. It's really quick and simple. And how is that? I'm sure you might have seen lots of other videos making almond milk, and normally you would make it from raw almonds, and you blend it and then you need to strain out all the pulp from it. But the quick and easy way I'm going to show you is by making it from almond butter. Now this is almond butter that I've already made. You'll see this on a previous video. This quick and easy and delicious almond butter. There's no added oil in this. I made it in my Vitamix container, and it's very quick and easy. Now if you don't need to make it yourself, if you haven't got the time, you can go to the store and buy really good quality almond butter. And from that I'll show you how to make almond milk. It's very easy. So with this, there's not going to be any pulp, so it's going to be really easy to make. So you just need 4 cups or just about 1 litre of cold fresh filtered water. I'm going to add in there 1 tablespoon of almond butter. This one I just freshly made. So 1 large tablespoon. You can check the taste and consistency how you like it. I like 1 tablespoon, so good thickness for me. If you like it more creamier, you can add more. If you like it lighter, you can add less. So, you know, to taste really. So it's up to you. Okay. And you can just blend it like that, but I like to add a couple of medjool dates. These have been pitted. So a couple of medjool dates and a splash of vanilla extract. This is a homemade one which I've made. Just a little splash of that. So, and that's it. And you're just going to blend that up. This is my Vitamix wet blade container, which is fantastic at blending. It'll pulverize anything to like nothing. So I highly recommend you getting Vitamix. It's a very useful appliance. Let's put that on. Start it on 1, put it to 10 and put it on high. So if you don't have dates and you want to sweeten it up a bit, you can always use honey or date syrup. I like to use medjool dates. It gives it a really nice flavour. And I'm just going to put that in a bottle, a glass bottle, and I'll just store that in the refrigerator. And that's how you make, look at that, beautiful. No pulp or anything there. That's how you make almond milk. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe below. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.